If you've ever received a rotting aloe vera plant in the mail, you know the heartbreak. Today, I'll show you how to rescue them. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to save aloe vera plants that have been in a box for a long time and are starting to rot. This particular box arrived soggy and already collapsing, most likely because the plants inside had started to rot. Last year, I started selling aloe vera plants online, specifically the barbadensis variety. Depending on the buyer's location, delivery takes about 1 to 2 weeks. Aloe vera can survive up to 4 weeks in a box without soil and water, and even longer if packed properly. But sometimes, deliveries fail. The most common reason is that the address couldn't be located and the buyer couldn't be reached by phone. So, if it takes 2 weeks to reach the buyer, it usually takes just as long or longer to return to me. This particular box took 5 weeks in total, from the day I packed it, shipped it, and received it back. And just as I expected, the plants were already starting to rot. The newspaper I used to wrap them was soaked. Some parts of the leaves that continued to grow had turned white from lack of sunlight. That's proof that even in the box, aloe vera still tries to grow. All the roots had rotted, and yes, it smelled bad. If you ever receive aloe vera in this condition, here's what you need to do. Remove all the rotten leaves and roots. Then, air dry the plants until the soft, mushy parts are completely dry. One good sign is when those parts become dry and crisp. Out of the 9 plants I unboxed, 1 didn't survive. I didn't realize the place I left them was exposed to the morning sun. This plant completely rotted after just 1 exposure. Even the morning sun can shock aloe vera that's been in a dark, damp box for 5 weeks. After air drying and giving them just 1 hour of morning sun each day, the white part of the leaves slowly started turning green. Once you plant them back into the soil, gradually expose them to more sunlight. They might get slightly sunburned at first, but that's okay. They'll recover. Here's what they looked like after 3 weeks. You can still see signs of what they went through, but the plants are recovering. New, healthy leaves have started to grow. Just remember, plants that have been boxed up and have started to rot may take longer to recover. And just like people, each plant recovers differently. Some bounce back quickly, others take their time, like this one. Most probably, it still hasn't grown enough roots. The leaves are thin, and they haven't turned green yet. I hope you learned something from this video. This is Danny. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one, and God bless you.